radius, I'm going to plug it in here so I can figure out what the base area is. So base area equals pi times 2.069 squared. So take that 2.069, let's square it, and then let's multiply it by pi, and you should be getting a base area of, it's a long decimal, so just round it after 4 places, 13.4484. Okay, again, if you round to 4 decimal places, then you're being extremely accurate, and that's fine, even though we're not at our final answer. So we're going to take that base area now and apply it to the volume formula. So the volume equals the base area, which is 13.4484, 13.4484, and we're going to multiply it by the height, which is 14.7. We're going to divide it by 3. So 13, do it with me, 0.4484 times 14.7, enter, and then I'm going to divide that by 3, and I get, finally, we're at our final answer. The volume is equal to, or it's approximately, because we rounded it, I got 65.9 centimeters cubed. That's our final volume here. Let's go punch that in, switching back to Delta Math, so 65.9. Again, help video if you guys need it. There we go. Look at that, really good. Looks good, nice. And you can look at the solution and how they kind of work things out. I think it's really helpful for you guys, okay? Let's do one more problem and then we'll be done, okay, for our right circular cone. Okay, this is a simpler one because they actually give us the radius, right? We don't have to work for the radius. So it says a height of 6. It says find the volume of a right circular cone. It's got a height of 6 and a radius, a base radius of 9.7. Okay, so let me switch back. Okay, so there's my right circular cone, there's my radius, and it's, so they gave us the radius, it was 9.7, and then the height was 6. I want to double check that just to make sure. Yep, looks good. Okay, so the volume is equal to the area of the base times the height divided by 3. So let's figure out the area of the base. Well, base area, it's a circle, right? So I need to use pi times radius squared because it's a circle. So I need the radius. Well, how nice of them. They actually gave us the radius this time. Last time in the last problem, we had to figure out the radius from the circumference, right? Then we had to find the diameter, then find the radius. So we had to do a couple extra steps. You can still do it. They're always giving you enough information. Sometimes you just got to think a little bit harder. So they're giving us the radius here, no big deal. I'm just going to plug that in right for the radius. So pi times 9.7 squared. So 9.7 squared, and I'm going to multiply that by pi. All right, that's good. And I get a base area of 295.59224. Again, if you can round it to 4 decimal places, even though you're not at your final answer, because that's very accurate, right? Even though that's not our final answer, obviously. Okay, so we're going to take this number, that's our base area, and we're going to plug it in for the base area, right? So volume equals base area 295.5924. We're going to multiply it by a height of 6. Sorry, that looks kind of funky there. Let me erase that. I don't know why it does that. Let me erase that. There we go. Times 6 and then divided by 3. Okay, so volume equals, let's let the calculator do the work. So 295.5924 times 6. Let's divide that by 3. And we should be getting 591.1848, but since this is our final answer, we'll just go to the tens place. So 591 point, looks like 2. I think it was centimeters again. I can't remember. They enter that for you. I can't remember, but it's centimeters or feet cubed, whatever it is. So 591.2. Let's go make sure that we're good here. So 591.2. Let me switch back. 591.2. Submit. Yes. All right. Look at that. We got it. Cool. And you can see how they did it and everything. And